Hello guys, I want to walk you through the few steps required to install Reavil Feedback Widget in your web applications. To get started, we come to the projects module. To create a new project, input the name of the project and the primary color for the project and click on create project. Once that is done, you come here to click on install widget and copy this code which will be in your index.html file. Once you copy, click on setup completed, go to your repository, and in your index.html file, you come here and paste the script you copied, right? Once this is done and deployed, you can then go to your web application and you should be able to see the review feedback floating icon, which is here. So you can see we have it here. You can decide to submit whatever feedback you want to submit.